Xiaomi Auth Plus tutorial. Download Xiaomi HXRU tool. Open the tool. First, boot to EDL totally free. Open USB redirector. Connect over this address. Phone connect. Fast boot mode. Then check your IP number. Visit the ping.eu. Then you can see your IP. You can see your IP. Then send your IP on our WhatsApp. Send to us, and you can see the servicing. It means we are going to fast boot to EDL your phone. Step 4 means fast boot to EDL done. You can check your phone from device manager. You can see the EDL mode connected. Now again open the tool. Select your firmware. Click on the flash. You can see flash is going to on. It will be authorized. Need to log in. HXRU tool account login. Then check your credit. Click on the request author. You can see author is going to be authorized success. You can see flashing now. This is the easy process to flash a Xiaomi Qualcomm phone. Also support Xiaomi MTK, Xiaomi FRP Remove. HXRU tool. It is the best tool, and you can use this tool. It is the cheap and very easy. Also cheap credit price, so you can easily. Thanks for watching my video and stay with Asunlocker. We are going to upload a regular tutorial video for you.